Welcome to the 2019 GMC Sierra 1500 AT4 in Onyx Black. This truck is powered by a 6.2-liter V8, bolted up to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Taking a look inside the AT4, starting on your left-hand side, we have the controls for your power folding and adjustable mirrors, electronic parking brake, automatic headlights, dial-controlled trailer and driving modes, leather-wrapped heated steering wheel, steering column shifter, 8-inch touchscreen loaded with Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, and navigation, dual-zone climate control, push-to-start ignition, integrated trailer braking, and Bose audio all throughout the vehicle. Taking a look at the exterior of the AT4, starting off with the 20-inch wheels paired up with Goodyear Wrangler tires. Moving right along, we have paint-matched door handles, AT4 badges on the doors, paint-matched mirrors with LEDs, 6.2-liter V8 plaques on the fenders. Around the front of the vehicle, GMC badge in the center of the grille, red recovery hooks, LED daytime running lights and headlights. Back down the side of the vehicle, this truck is remote start equipped and has keyless entry, rear tinted privacy windows with black trim all around, step assists are installed, Cap-It bed canopy is installed. Around the back of the vehicle, we have side steps built into either side of the bumper, twin chrome tipped exhaust, towing package is installed, AT4, Sierra, and GMC badging can all be found on the MultiPro tailgate. Heading back inside the AT4, back seats here have in-seat storage. They're also car seat ready and come in a 60-40 split. Cup holders come down here in the middle. Rear power sliding window. Bose audio continues throughout the back of the truck, and here in the center console we have the heated leather seats controls, 2 USB charging ports, and a single cigarette lighter outlet. Thank you for watching this brief walkthrough on the 2019 GMC Sierra 1500 AT4. If you have any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales department.